Looking for your next camping location? Here's how to find free, legal dispersed camping in 90 seconds or less with onX Offroad's Dispersed Camping Layer. All right, so first things first, we're gonna open up onX Offroad here on our mobile device. And down on the bottom right, you're gonna see something that looks like some cheese slices. This is how we are going to enter our layers. Clicking on the layer button, it will automatically open our base maps, and to the right of that, you'll see layers which will house the dispersed camping layer, which will be next to the private land area. Now, if we zoom into any national forest with this layer on, you'll start to see trails that are highlighted in yellow. This yellow on the trail will highlight where dispersed camping is actually legal. Tapping on any one of those trails that are highlighted inside of the app will start to show you specific rules for that area. Things like how far you actually need to be from the road, any restrictions, and whether dispersed camping is legal or not. From here, you can drop a waypoint on a potential campsite. You can look at that area in satellite or 3D view. And all of these combined, you can start building one epic adventure and camping trip all inside of onX Offroad. Here is a little how-to and pro tip for turning on the dispersed camping layer inside of onX Offroad. We're going to click the layer button down there on the bottom right, swipe over, turn on dispersed camping, and as you see, the whole map instantly changes. Trails are now highlighted in this highlighter yellow, which will distinguish trails and routes that are dispersed camping eligible. onX Offroad's dispersed camping layer. This is one of the easiest ways to avoid bad campsites and to ensure where you're camping is actually legal.